How to view your watch history on TikTok. Hi everyone, welcome back into this channel, and in today's video, I will be teaching you how to view your watch history on TikTok. So let's begin. The very first step that I would suggest is to make sure first that your TikTok app is up to date. If not, please go to the App Store or the Google Play Store and update your TikTok app. Once you have done that, simply open your TikTok app and then go to your profile found on the lower right corner of the screen. And then click on the three lines found on the upper right corner of the screen and click on Settings and Privacy. Once you're in Settings and Privacy, click on Privacy right here and then click on Download Your Data under the Personalization and Data section. Click on Download Your Data, and then once you're in here, you may read all of these right here. So it may take up to 4 days until your data will be accessed. So make sure also to choose text or TXT instead of JSON if you are using your mobile only. Click on Request Data and then again wait for at least 4 days and then go to Download Data right here once your data is available. Click on Download right here and then it will open your web browser. Once it will open your web browser, it will ask you to log in with your TikTok account. So make sure to log in and then download your data. So once you have downloaded your data, this zip file will appear. So make sure to extract the zip file and then open the folder that has been extracted. And then go to activity right here and scroll down and look for video browsing. Click on video browsing, and then you may be able to see the date and then the time, as well as the links of the video that you have watched. So make sure to copy the link and then paste it on a web browser, and then that's it. That's how you may view your watch history on TikTok. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.